there was a new student. They were in 5th grade, and I helped them around the school.
Help them with their work. Like if they didn't know it and I knew it, I would help. Like I'm not the type of person that's gonna sit around and not know how to do it. And a lot of people don't. I'm going to help you.
The new student was coming and he was very confused on where to go, just like I was, because I was in the same position a year ago. And he was asking like, oh, where do I go? What classes is this? What room number is this? And so I just helped him out. I just showed him around the school.
I helped a 6th grader once, and she was struggling with her homework, and she was at the library, and I could see she was struggling, so I helped her with her math homework.
We had a really, really, really big lunchroom, and you weren't allowed to eat anywhere else. So everyone just ate in the lunchroom, and everyone sat with their friends at different tables. When I was in 7th grade and he was in 6th, and I walked up to him. I was really overconfident at the time, and so I just told him, I was like, hey, you can sit anywhere you want. It doesn't matter, who you sit with. Just like walk up, be friendly. If you assert yourself, they're not gonna kick you out. You just gotta go up and sit wherever you want. And so after that, he did. He went up and sat. He made a lot of friends. He ended up becoming, a pretty cool kid. I felt pretty good because I felt like I helped him get to that point where middle school was a less scary place.
I talked to a bunch of 6th graders, made them feel welcomed, introduced them to my friends, and just kind of gave them a rundown of what it's like to be in 6th grade.
I helped a younger student in some way with their locker.
There was a 7th grader who asked me they needed help finding a class, and luckily I had that class last year, so I was able to point them. I was actually able to walk them to the class because I had enough time. And after helping that student, it felt good, It felt good because helping other people, of course, it's going to make you feel good because you feel like you did something right.
It made me feel good on the inside because I know that I made an impact on someone, and I know how stressed I would have been if I were in their position.
I just like helping people. I love helping people. That's something I like doing.
I treated the 6th graders like I wish I was treated back then, and I just felt really good to just help somebody out and give them some advice for someone who's been through it, and I think that was really cool.
And yeah, I felt really good after that, honestly, because it just felt good to help another person.